We are CDI Products, a global leader in high-performance polymer solutions for the world's most demanding industries. From advanced sealing systems and custom-engineered components to proprietary materials and smart manufacturing, we engineer solutions for energy, aerospace, semiconductor, and beyond. CDI is vertically integrated, combining in-house material science and over 30 precision manufacturing processes, ensuring quality from concept to delivery. Our products are certified to the highest global standards and are proven in mission-critical environments where failure is not an option. We partner with leading OEMs to create specific products, reducing downtime, extending equipment life, and optimizing return on investment. Whether it's custom engineering, extreme sealing conditions, or rapid prototyping, we solve the toughest challenges in the most demanding industries on Earth. Join the Fortune 500 companies, industry innovators, and technology leaders that have made us a critical component of their success. Thank you for watching. For innovative solutions and engineered precision, visit CDIProducts.com. Let CDI Products be your trusted partner for your next project.